The next knot we're going to talk about is the square knot. People I've talked to tend to mistie this knot very often, and they actually tie what's known as a granny knot, which I'm not familiar with any use for the granny knot other than some more difficult to untie square knot. Anyway, the square knot is essentially another application of the overhand knot. It's used for many things. It's really good for stuff, like not people though. Don't use the square knot as a safety knot. It has potential to slip and slide, and it's just not a good idea to use the square knot for safety purposes. However, it is an excellent knot used for binding two ropes of equal size together, and for use in tying items and supplies.